Okay, so I just woke up. Pero story time. Cause it's like my dream was so great, bro. Like I swear, super ganda na panaginip ko. Kasi so my birthday is wait. So my birthday is coming na, and I was thinking on going in Manila again to celebrate it alone, pero not on the same exact date naman. So yeah, tapos ayun. So I was making my itinerary yesterday, and then I was like searching for, for things to try, for like foods to try and places to go to. And then kanina lang bago ako matulog kasi I woke up early for Kenzo. Tapos I slept again. Tapos kakagising ko nga lang ngayon. And then ayun, bago ako matulog kanina again, parang like I was searching for like foods to try. I have two choices. I have 24 chicken and yung bok. Yeah, it's the bok thing. I forgot, basta I just, as far as I can remember, may bok siya. May bok, basta ganon. And then yun. Tapos sabi ko, I was like, I didn't know that bok chicken existed. Like I didn't know it was like there. Tapos kanina ko lang naisip. And then kasi parang inire-recommend din siya ng ibang tao from TikTok na para siyang 24 chicken as well. And then yeah. And tapos nung sinerch ko what it looks like, and I was like, it looks familiar. It feels like it looks like I saw it. I saw it already. And then ayun, tapos ayun nga, 'di ba? It looks familiar, and I feel like I saw it already. So I was trying to recall where did I see that, pero I can't. And then suddenly I went to sleep. I slept again, and then suddenly my dream was about that. The first thing that I did in my dream was I was in like alam mo, actually yung kinainan ko dun sa first na kinainan ko sa dream ko was yung it's like the food. Wait, let me search it. Hold on. Okay, so I'm back. I searched it on TikTok, and the store that I firstly went to kumain ako was look like yung yung best of luck na restaurant sa Cubao Expo, and I was trying to go there. I mean, I was like planning to go there too. So yun lang, ang galing ng trip ko, right? And then I ate exactly yung minamata ko, kasi people said na masarap daw yun, which is yung dim sum na siomai. As far as I can remember, parang ayun lang yung kinain ko. Or I also tried the chili noodle, something like that. But yeah, it was great. And then what's funny pa, nung palabas na ako nung store na kinainan ko, dala ko pa yung lalagyan. Tapos like patawid na ako. Tapos dala ko pa. There's some people. I was like, I was kind of shy, pero biglang pumasok sa isip ko yung motto ko nung nag-start ako na, yung ginawa kong, yung sinet ko sa mind ko na isipin na dapat dead ba lang yung mga tao sa paligid ko, cause I wanna go out alone. I wanna go out alone comfortably. Tapos ayun nga, and then yung paglabas ko talaga, dala ko pa yung mangkok bago ko siya ibaba, nakita ko na dun yung bok chicken. It's bok chicken. I searched it as well. Tapos ayun, dun na yung bok chicken, and ayun na yung like yung magkakatabi, wait, food belt, sige, let's call it food belt sa tabi ng California, sa Canlaon. Tapos ayun, food belt, tapos nandito na yung nandito na yung bok chicken. Tapos, so yeah, binaba ko muna yung yung mangkok ba yun? Basta yun, lalagyan ng kinainan ko. Si ate ko dala pa. Tapos ayun, and then I tawid na. And then, ewan ko, my dream is, sa lahat ng dream ko, parang ito yung, sa lahat ng dreams ko, parang ito yung favorite ko. Kasi ang ganda la, like, kanina nung gising ako, I was trying to recall my memories, but I can't, not. Pero now, na I just left, biglang ganun, biglang ganun. Kasi parang hindi ko matandaan kung saang place ko nakita yung bok chicken. Kung sa malls ba, I went to a lot of places nung umuwi ako, last uwi ko ng Manila. Tapos ayun, ang galing lang kasi I can exactly remember when when I saw that. When I saw that. I swear. Eksena naman yung bata. Pero yeah, I can exactly recall where. Doon nga yun, sa food belt na, di ba, like California, sa Canlaon. Tapos meron kasing, like, a lot of stores there. Like, isang ganun siya. And it actually looks aesthetic. I was trying to take a picture on it nga nung isa. Pero, wag na pala. Pero ayun ga. So, I was living in Canlaon before. So, alam na alam ko siya. And I miss the place. Like, kaya I love my dream. Kasi, parang it feels nostalgic. And I really miss it. I love it. Kasi, as ayun, parang like I was, pero alam nyo, hindi ano like, hindi, yung mga stores, hindi siya bago. Like, parang mga ano siya, yung mga, ano nga, parang old tindahans. Pero not totally tindahan na ang tinitinda is yung mga kagaya sa sari-sari stores. Hindi ganun. Basta store siya na kung ano yun. Parang like, pero hindi din siya maraming tao. Tapos ang bago lang na store is yung bok chicken. Like, as in, yung, di ba kapag ka, yun dito sa atin sa Philippines, kapag ka luma yung ano, parang hindi ganun makulay. Tapos ayun, and bok chicken's color is orange. Tapos ayun, as in para siyang ano, ang galing talaga. Para siyang like spotlight. No, what do you call that? Basta para siyang nagdiningning sa gitna ng mga madidilim. Ha? Basta gano'n. It's something like that. Kasi parang like dim yung, not actually dim yung lights, pero I don't know how to say it. Pero ayun, basta, hindi masyadong makulay. Hindi makulay at all. Yeah, kasi yung tiles is white lang, all white. Not actually all white, pero basta, tapos white lang yung basta white lang, white, black, brown, whatever. Tapos yung bok chicken orange, it's like parang nagdiningning siya, di ba? Alam niyo sa palabas, alam niyo yung twinkling watermelon. Diba, nung nakita ni, sino ba yun? Basta si Rion yun eh. Nung nakita niya yung door from somewhere, ganun, parang like nagsashine siya, parang ganun. Ang galing, diba? Hindi ko alam. Ay, ang galing, sobrang nagagaling ako sa panaginip ko. Kasi parang it pulled up, or like, it brings back my consciousness doon, my conscious information for that specific thing that I wanted to like pull back. Ayan, ang galing lang. This is my favorite thing. Ano ba yan? Sober naman sa ini. Oh my god. This is now fun. Okay, so, medyo tumigil ba? Tapos ayun, wala lang. I love this. I love talking. I didn't know I'd enjoy this. Talking. Okay mo talaga. Para bang ano. Pero ayun nga, hindi ko alam. Kasi I'm not talking to anyone for a while. Pero I might do this again and again and again. And I think I'll do it again after this because I think I have something to kwento. Antayin na lang. Ha? Parang bang sobrang OA ko. I don't know why I talk like that. Don't. Stop. Stop, bro. Stop. I swear. Stop.